So, I have dentures in my mouth and she has a bandage.
I'm broken.
We're all messed up. But, we are here at... Oh crap! It is actually open. Wow. So we're at the information center in Sahil Nature Park.
Yeah, I think that's how you say it.
This is new. I haven't seen this. Birds. More birds. What?
Snakeskin.
Really?
Wow.
We're not going to be here too long, though. Because it closed is at dusk.
Plus, we have to go to Walmart.
Yeah. But I just wanted to show you real quick. You're in pain?
I overdid it today.
Yeah.
Well, I was trying to clean my closet out because I had nothing to do. I don't watch movies or watch TV shows.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I don't know, I just can't get into them. I read my books, but after a while, I kind of just want to stop reading.
Really?
Yeah.
So, this is going to be one whole video. I'm not going to get that long, don't worry. But, I wanted to show you Sahil Nature Park. Sorry if you're having trouble understanding me.
You're fine.
No, I'm saying them. Everyone had injuries this month.
What?
I said everyone had injuries this month.
Brad didn't.
Well, we gotta have him have an injury.
No, I can't take care of him with one hand.
Look at this. Look at how beautiful it is.
I don't know. I can't see without my camera.
Know what?
Oh, this is really pretty right here.
I told you.
I wish I had a camera to take pictures with.
We're getting on video.
Like someone would actually swim in this. There's a life-saving raft. Like someone would actually swim in this.
Well, they might.
Who would swim in this?
I don't know. You might.
No.
You wouldn't?
No. Not being mean to nature, but it's very algae-like.
But you have to admit, look at the trees, though.
Yeah, the trees are.
These are like pine trees. Wetland habit area. Please say it on the trails. We're just gonna walk on this trail and then we'll head back. There's a lot more to this place, but oh, I wanted to show you over here.
She just texted me. She said also saltwater rinse like a million times a day
Really?
will help heal it faster, which is true. That's what they say.
Yeah. That's what they're telling me. Look at that, though.
I know. I want to take a picture of it.
We're getting on video.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you get a picture of it right as soon as we get done here.